In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of half-face text effect inside Canva, and I'm going to show you the easiest method how you can do this kind of effect inside Canva. So let's jump to the video. So first of all, you just need to create a blank document inside Canva, and I'm going to use this document. Now I'm going to import the image that I want to use. So this is the image that I want to use. Now I'm just going to make it full screen. Now I'll be go to element, add a shape, just add a rectangle shape, and then just fill the half of the screen from where you want to start the text to be appear on the right side. Then click color, change to black. Now again go to text, add the text that you want to add. In my case, I am going to write be yourself and change the font to impact. If you want, you can choose other font. Go to spacing and make this 65. Now enlarge the text as you like. There is no fixed way that you want to make the text like this. You can also be creative with some other types of text, other fonts as you like. So be your and duplicate it, add it. So this is our text, be yourself. Now once we are done with placement of this text, you can just move it here. If you want, you can also group it like this and then change to black color. Now you just select this box and right click on it. You can duplicate, then move it just on that side, right side. Make sure there is no gap between these two elements. Then just click on position, go to layers, and from here just move it underneath the text and then change the color to white. So this is our normal image that we have right now. Just go to share and download this image. You can choose PNG or JPG any you want. So that's it, our image have been downloaded. Now we are going to delete all of the image that we just use here. Now we'll go to apps, and from here we need to search this app named blend image, and you can see this is the image, and that is the app blend image. From here you can see there is two options, one is bottom layer and one is top layer. So I'm going to choose this option, bottom layer, and choose our main image, I mean the person. Then for the top layer we will be using this option here, this, and click this, add this new image that we just created. That's it. Now you can see this is our preview of our ears, how it looks, and change the blend mode to screen. That's it. Now just insert the image inside our design. So you can see already we are done with our design. You can see this look really nice. So I'm going to show you another cool tips, and I mean if you want to make the background black, then there is a way that you can do it. So just crop it like this, select this part, remove background. Now you can see this part have gone, and now we can just add a new element, new rectangle, and change the color to any color one. Like if you want to make it blue or white, anything you want, just do that color and place it right here, make it this way. Now position it. That's it. Now you can see if you want you can also change this color to any other, like black. So this is the way. So I hope you learned how you can make this kind of half face text effect inside Canva. And if you like the video, please hit like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.